wakwaba emfa umbra Ghanaians TVGH so wafreme Addo searching.
Oni na woko.
Just like that.
Na kuma mpeni so ahwe ni saa.
Krasa.
Abekeka saa nse hu na che ni waso no na okro. Yo.
Entiba na oba ye no.
Areba ye. Obi de ya wo boy ye fa Galamsey fighters. Me de me hu ni say nya self Galamsey fighters o.
Na ede ya.
Wonu mu ko protect party boys are wonu to Galamsey no. Let us say na tax force bi ba bonten be ka say wo ma o madwuma hye wonu mu bo. Wonu ma ye adwuma no ama adwuma no abam bo hye no de ase wonu mu ni so. Na wonu mu de wo mu adwuma nim dada. Enti wo mu de wo mu ko we abendada ye nkodifo no no. Enti wonu mu no wo mu ko akọ protect wo mu. On say na Galamsey to koso pa.
Me say.
So
agoya no do say say Galamsey da be na do kwa de kofa ba yi. Say oguso posu Facebook.
Woma wono.
Na da bia o travel from. Ama say the attack on the media.
They say
yetim. Ne papa mu a yetim.
Ne boni
mu a yetim. Say na Addo ena say that bird afa da robo mu konkonkonkonkonko wa onim Galamsey to be akokotu a ene onye mampani biu we will see and we will feel it. Say na MPP for so kwa na etu if so man pray to aban mu a ene the MPP is not in power again. We will see and we will feel it. Na womunso so a doctor for asofo a no dey on board petition preaching and yensuo say and wo akwala na ni ba akonya na ne nsa ba akwacha na wanwane and MBB fi abam no say Galamsey ne yetu a saa and deformities nya afiri ho a womunso so o ma jejeje
piao
enti obi say we all dey inside yenyina ye be hu smoothness level na za uwa jidie wa John Mahama mu se onu na be ku Galamsey tu ase a yenya ya no ye mpa bo se ontumi enya adwuma no na so betumi aye ana se obaye soso a we dey tino no yen kwai
they had any say Galamsey ni tu no adobo atrepo akwadrepo awo site ahodo na said ya nanka bia nipa ba ko na tu asese nipa nan ena etu no abo ho be nan
pem
ya se kra de o mu funtom akwaye ni nyina da anyanyem bia da enti ensema no o mu ka ensema na koku ahodo obi ka ana se professor Jampo no maji appointment ya se omoda ayi
say enunti ena da bia me ka me say Romanum sasemsi no bi ekabia nyabotre enkabia ansa
dabi
hwe asem na asie no ani wo mo ka asem no then try and investigate their interest whether indeed it is about Ghana or it's about them enti sa wo ye pani na wo so utu na mo bi a se ni patwa wo hia bebre a eya mama wutimu nya ode
dabi
nya botana trase na busa ho se wo mu am no mu tu na moyi eya da no mu dome
ana
se so de wunu edie semetuma ye biribi papa bi dia ma Ghana ediro mo support ana se they are coming to use me as a cash cow. They think with me they can achieve a maybe ediro mo buy me enti eya na MPP eye se enipa abrabom no asetre mu no utu anamo a
asasine ya mebi
edu ba bia eye se okwa woyehiem eye se nkugu obo fam is always when you are successful and my want to me it doesn't offer you an opportunity to review the loyalty of the people around you. Se maybe awo ye bibia na kwa wano nipa di wachi no wontumi nyanyina so bi enhwehwe wo mumu ehuru se wode akoma pa na do ana se di obenya di ente
na odi achi
opportunity
ana odidi wachi
they hear them or pack
sometimes let us welcome our failures with a good heart. And so it will offer us an opportunity to review the people that we see as our trustees. Maybe kwabra de me ade bia be hunu bia no betena se busa me honsem na me dwene the other side from where many think about it. Now I am praying say nyankopon be ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ahoden any nimdie na we review a lot of things that happened from the very day he decided to lead this party and eventually become the president of the republic till the 7th of December yekotoaba olusuye. He has the numbers but few were loyal and committed to his cause. He had the numbers. I will every day wish he becomes the president of the republic because of the niswadi hunua na ekrano and ebia Ghana can enjoy free port. Say a my cry be anke ashanse a yeah want to ya ebeba so
pipeline no
and people living with disabilities and come by enjoy free tertiary education. And and port flat rates importers come on flat rates so say and and passport okujo to abla kwa say sika wutua for a normal passport what so Ghana for bosi the Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia kan and say and ka wo Ghana card you don't need to go through all the processes again because information e be here no and one
Ghana card ne so
you sit at the comfort of your home. Now I apply. And you're ready. You're the delivery service. Let the bro. Because some people around the vice president were not honest to him. They were not fully committed to his cause. Na me I didn't see Saturday no. Me person me share trasa. Because when we lost 2008 and lost 2012, Nanado still enjoyed that respect, that support, that energy, whatever the party people gave him. Ubia entiase yenko. Name kwablesi do, meso entiase yenko. And so don't fault me. I'm entitled to my opinion and the conclusions I draw on my opinion. Saturday, the vice president, former vice president was in town.
Okay.
Obesinu kwa ye ewo pechi.
Okay.
Eye no, me hu party mpenifo bebrebe se omuko obi. Former ministers, sitting MPs. It was like say obi anam ne baby. Ebinimu kwa ye no efri ho answer former vice president Addo. Ebinimu kwa after say former vice president Akuffo efri ho.